Ako interested po ako. Meron po kasing nag-offer to host the debate. 'Di ba you were challenged by Senator Marcoleta and apparently the Philippine Bar Association offered to host the debate between you and Senator Marcoleta. Ano po ba? Meron na po bang arrangement dito as far as you know?
Well, I informed the Philippine Bar Association. I'm accept their offer. I'm thankful, uh, but they have to get the acceptance from Marcoleta, and so far wala pa. Because yung offer naman ng ng PBA is the uh, traditional debate, no? There is a proposition, there is a affirmative side and a negative side. Ang gusto ni Senator Marcoleta, freewheeling. Well, kung anong papasok sa ulo niya, yun yung sasabihin niya. It will not get us anywhere. Parang ano lang yan, steeran lang yan, no? Let us be, we are talking about rights here, law, international law. We are defending our sovereign rights and our island territories. Let's be very precise, no? Let's have a structured debate. The usual debate. Hindi pwede yung kahit ano lang.
Tsaka delikado po yung pag walang maliwanag na proposition kasi pwedeng gumalaw yung goalpost eh. Kunwari, nasukol niya siya sa isang punto, pwede niyang iliko. Ibahin yung rules.
Yeah.
Diba? Ibahin yung issues.
Ang sabi ko naman, if there are many issues, we can have a series of debates in universities all over the country. Pag sabi niya, maliit lang yan. But let's fix the topic, and then if you want another topic, we'll have another debate. Para we will be methodical. Hindi pwedeng pasulput-sulput tayo. No? Let's be more rational in our thinking.
Ano po bang ano nyo? Proposed proposition kung kakagat si Marcoleta sa debating siya mismo ang naghamon?
Well, kasi sabi niya, yung West Philippine Sea does not exist. Haka-haka lang natin yan. So, sabi ko, okay, the proposition is that whether there is a legal definition of West Philippine Sea. Tapos sabi niya, yung ating claims sa Calayan Island Group, there are 4 islands outside our exclusive economic zone. Wala raw tayong basis to claim kasi labas na sa EEZ natin. So, ang next sub question is, the first question is there a legal definition of the West Philippine Sea under Philippine law? And if there is, are the islands of the Calayan Island Group that are outside the EEZ part of the West Philippine Sea? Para yung assertion niya, we meet it head on. Hindi pwede yung sasabihin niya ito that yung West Philippine Sea wala yung coordinates, hindi legal yan. So okay, let's debate on that muna para klaro, no? Kasi basic yan eh. Pag walang West Philippine Sea, di tapos na ang kwento. We don't have to debate again pag walang West Philippine Sea. We don't have to proceed to further debates, no? Kasi we're defending nothing. If there is no such thing as West Philippine Sea, there's nothing to defend, no?
Kung matuloy po yung debate, pwede po ba mag-suggest? Walang notes. Kumbaga para magkaalaman. Kasi kayo, nadi-discuss nyo without notes eh. From the top of your head, from stock knowledge. Sana pumayag si Senator Marcoleta.
Well, okay lang pag may notes siya para what we are after here, what is really correct. But you have a time limit kasi dahil sa in a formal debate, may time limit naman yan eh. So within the time limit, yun lang, may time limit. Otherwise, walang katapusan ito.